Welcome to PTEClasses.com. Struggling with the read aloud task, as it directly impacts both your speaking and listening scores. On PTEClasses.com, mastering this is simple. Open any read aloud practice session. Carefully read the paragraph and record your response clearly. Once you submit, our advanced AI analyzes your performance instantly. Our AI breaks down your score into pronunciation and fluency, providing granular feedback. It identifies if you're pausing too much or mispronouncing specific words, helping you target exactly what to fix. 3 quick tips. First, maintain a natural flow. Second, don't worry if you miss a word. Third, mimic the speaker's rhythm and intonation. Keep speaking. Practice with real-time feedback on PTEClasses.com today.